Hi, I'm back. As you can see, I'm doing the bacon, and it's getting to that point where I like it. I don't like mine too crisp, but I sure don't want it rubbery either. Ugh, it's got to be cooked. Anyway, I'm going to show you another little tip for when you're making bacon to clean up the mess. It's really easy. Okay, be right back. I got this little dish. It's just a little bowl. As you can see by the size of my hand, well, my hands are not real small, but it's not very big. And you got a little dish like that. Get yourself just this piece of tin foil, and because the bowl is small, I cut this in half. So I'll use one half today and one half tomorrow. Call me thrifty. My son gets a little crazy with me, but what can I say? And it's not easy for me living with him. I'm sure he doesn't particularly have much joy in me being here with him temporarily. So I'm supposed to find my own place. I did put a deposit on it, but it's under construction, and the place is new, so it won't be open till July. Can I make it that long? I don't know. Anyway, I'm happy he works during the daytime. Anyway, you just line your bowl like that with that tin foil. Pat it down so that when you pour your grease into it, it doesn't overflow. So, all right, we're almost there. Oh, it's just about perfect. It's just about perfect. So, maybe I should have some music or something right now. I don't know. But anyway, I'm bending down to cook. So, then I take a piece of paper towel. I have that ready because you need one. And then paper towel, bowl, we're ready. And I'm going to get a dish for my bacon. So I take my dish and I put a napkin on it, fold it. It's in half. That's going to be my draining place. So I've got my grease, draining place, and ready to go with my napkin. So this is ready. This is perfect. Oh, looks really good. I know I'm using a fork. Using a fork in the pan. I just don't touch the bottom of the pan. So you get your bacon all out. Turn off the stove. You don't want to burn yourself. Ow. And now that's done. So here's the trick. And I do it when it's hot. I wouldn't recommend it until you get the hang of it a little bit because you could burn yourself. I don't want you to burn yourself and blame it on me. No, not my fault. And so you take your bacon, grease, and here's your little dish. And you just pour it in there carefully. And then you take this. See how much stuff I have that's not by my fingers, and then you take it and just go like that along your pan, and you just wipe it off, and then you could throw this away separate. I just drop it in there, and so it kind of absorbs the grease. But set that aside. And now I would normally make my eggs, but I'm not going to have eggs this morning because I really have my Keto Cinnamon Roll, coffee, bacon. I'm going to be full, and that's going to take me through. I probably won't eat lunch. I might have a little snack if I have a keto snack, maybe half an avocado, piece of string cheese. We'll see how hungry I am. But this is pretty high-fat breakfast, lunch, And so normally I would make eggs with cheese and probably some salsa and sour cream. Today I'm just gonna have the bacon. So normally I'd put the butter in there, cook the eggs in the same pan, but we're good. So stooping down to say goodbye. Same time next week. Hope to see you here. Please comment below. If you have any comments that you'd like to share, please be nice. Being nice is always much better than being mean. And I'll see you then. If you have a question, let me know. Bye.